Now, as the world marks the 25th anniversary of the Rwandan genocide on Sunday, April the 7th, we are bringing you the moving stories of those who lived through one of the darkest periods of African and world history. In today's installment of our Survivor series, ordinary Rwandans share their stories of loss, survival, and hope for their country. This is Innocent Kabirizi's story, rather.
The night of April 6th to 7th, when Habyarimana's plane crashed, in the morning, local leaders gave orders that no one should go out. They ordered us all to stay at home. Massacres here at Nyamirambo started on the 7th. In Herahamwe, militia launched their attacks with guns and grenades. We then decided that whoever could had to run into Gishwari forest. Some of us managed to run away and escaped, but others were killed on the spot. There were some who were killed along the way or inside Gishwari forest. Others were killed in the valley trying to cross the border. The first reason is that they remind me friends of my generation and classmates, some of whom were killed in my presence, others were killed elsewhere that I do not know. The other reason is that some members of my family, too, were killed in that first attack on the 7th. Though I was running, I saw how they killed them. We even tried to come back to bury them in the night. But we could not find them, as their bodies were thrown in mass graves or latrines. Since 1994, after the genocide, I encountered many problems. I was in distress every day when I thought about relatives or neighbors that we lost. I had a family of 8 people, but none of them survived except me and my sister that you see sitting here. My children are in school. They are in their final year now. Though my relatives were exterminated, I managed to pay school for my children using the piece of land as well as caring for my family. I forgave someone, the one who took part in hunting me. I forgave him and we have reconciled. He's now a friend of mine and pays me visits. Here in Kanzenze, we have achieved unity and reconciliation, and all Gachacha court cases were completed. But for me in particular, I have forgiven the one who got involved in exterminating my family. We visit each other, we share everything. I even employ him in VIUP works.